Hello and welcome to the course Cypress from Zero to the Cloud from the Talking About Testing online school on Udemy. I am Valmir and I'm gonna be your instructor during the course. I am a passionate software engineer who loves testing and I have 19 years of experience in the field. I'm also a Cypress IO ambassador and I've been working with the tool since 2018, having dived into its documentation to understand its details, best practices, trade-offs, and all the ecosystem around Cypress. Besides this one, I have other 5 Cypress courses. They are all in Portuguese, Brazil, because I am Brazilian and Portuguese is my mother language, but this is the course for you in English. And the courses that I have in Portuguese, they are the Cypress Basic, Intermediate, Advanced, Best Practices, and End-to-End Testing. In 2021, I started a series called Pinches of Cypress with practical and straight-to-the-point content so you can take advantage of everything this fantastic framework has to offer. I am also doing lives about Cypress on my YouTube channel, as well as chats about the tool with professionals in the field and hands-on videos. The goal of the course is that by completing the Cypress from Zero to the Cloud course, you'll be able to put into practice all the knowledge acquired in real projects and on a larger scale to write and execute tests in a continuous integration workflow integrated with the Cypress Cloud. The course has the following structure. There will be 59 videos with 46 exercises, so the course is 100% hands-on. You learn how to install Cypress, how to create tests with Cypress, how to integrate Cypress with continuous integration and with the Cypress Cloud by writing the code yourself, and I'll be helping you out along the way. The course has approximately 4 hours and a half with an average of 4 minutes and a half per video, so very short lessons for you to learn one thing at a time. There will also be a repository on GitHub with all the lessons and the final solution, additional content, links to the official documentation, and of course my support through the Udemy platform. What will you learn during the course? So in the Cypress from Zero to the Cloud course, you learn how to set up a Cypress project from scratch, how to visit local and remote pages, how to deal with elements most commonly found in web applications, how to test file uploading, how to perform various assertions of expected results, how to create custom commands, how to deal with links that open in another browser tab, how to run tests simulating a mobile device, how to solve the same problem in different ways using the Cypress API, how to create effective documentation for your automated testing project, how to run tests in a continuous integration workflow, and also how to integrate your continuous integration workflow with the Cypress Cloud. Who is the course intended for? If you are a tester, a QA engineer, or any other title that describes you as someone who works in software testing and you want to take the next step in your career with test automation, this course is for you. If you have some experience with JavaScript and you want to learn a modern framework that is increasingly in demand in the market for writing automated web tests, this course is for you. And if you are a developer without a dedicated QA on your team, this course is for you too. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the course. I invite you now to get to know the preview lessons and subscribe to the course Cypress from Zero to the Cloud. Bye!